Hello student, I am Deepak Verma from Golden Public School. Now let us start the second part of the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. My dear student, in the first part we have read that Dr. Sado Hoki or Dr. Sadao Hoki, he took an American who was the prisoner of war to his home to treat him as he was badly wounded by the bullet and the rock also. But he was the prisoner of war, means he was the enemy of Japanese. Americans are the enemy of Japanese at that time. But because he was a doctor, that is why he wanted to save the life of his patient. As Gandhiji said, service to man is service to God. We know it. Let us start. Servant's reaction. When he took the American at home, what was the reaction of the servants? Let's know. The Hoki family was constantly pressurized by the servant to disclose the secret and get the American caught by the police. Means Yami and Gardner and other also, they continuously, they were warning, they were pressurizing, they were saying that this man should be handed over to the police. Their displeasure at their master's decision, means servant master. Who was the servant master? Servant master was Dr. Sadao Hoki. His decision was not appreciable. They were not liking his decision, made them decide to leave his household. Means they wanted to leave the house, they wanted to leave the children. Yami was not happy to leave them, but she had to leave due to that American, because they were having the fear that they would be caught by the police, as he was the prisoner of war, an American also. Made them decide to leave his household. Hannah bears all this gracefully because she was the owner, that she didn't show any sign of sadness that they are leaving, means the servant were leaving the house. She was quite graceful. In the due course of treating the prisoner, Sado, means Dr. Sadao, planned to inform the police about the prisoner. He wanted to inform the police, means he planned to inform the police about the prisoner, but somehow could not execute his plan. This is the most important. This is the most important line. Somehow he could not execute. He could not execute his plan. He could not. You say you want to means he could not write the letter which he was writing to the chief of police in his chief of the police. He could not write. That is why he leaves an unfinished letter to the chief of police in his drawer. What was Hannah's problem? Hannah, his wife, you know that he met Hannah in America at the house of Professor Harley. Okay, and he fell in love at a first sight, but he did not marry until his father gave permission. He did not marry. His father gave permission. Okay, when his father was sure that she was a true Japanese, she was a Japanese, then his father permitted them to marry. What was Hannah's problem? Hannah was not able to understand why she and her husband were in a dilemma about their next step. They were not able to understand concerning the fate of the prisoner. Means they were having the concern. They were not happy. They were thinking that we are treating this prisoner, we are making him, means in the consciousness, and we are giving him treatment also, and what will happen, that he would be handed over to the police, and the police and army, they would kill him. That is why they were having the dilemma, what to do, what not to do. whether they should hand him over to the police or not. When she saw a messenger in an official uniform at her doorstep after leaving the servant went from her house, okay, and one messenger came in an official uniform at her doorstep. She got scared. She was not happy to see that. Even she was tensed that one of the servants might have informed the police. He was guessed that whether it was there, the servants, they did it. The servant informed the police, but the messenger came only to inform Dr. Sadao that the general was in pain and wants to see him immediately. Means uh, he came there for the general, the army officer. Immediately realizing Hana's situation, Sadao decided to do something about the soldier because she was having the fear. She was thinking that the police could be come at any moment and they would have just caught them. She was thinking like that. That is why she was very much afraid. It was Hana's problem, the wife of Dr. Sadao Hoki, and they were the true Japanese. Dr. Sadao discloses the secret of general, means the secret of American prisoner of war, POW, tensed and tired of hiding the enemy. Means he was tiring of, and he was also tense because he was hiding the enemy. Dr. Sadao, it was Hana's problem. Yes, we were talking, and it was the problem of Dr. Sadao also. He became fed up. Now he was tired. Dr. Sadao revealed the secret to the general when he was summoned to his house for medical help. Means general was not healthy. He was he always liked Dr. Sadao. He was thinking that Sadao is only the person on the earth who can save him. He was thinking, who could save him? Looking at his present health condition, General realized that he might need Sadao's surgical expertise, surgical work, at any point of time, and itself is enough not to let Sadao get into trouble. This line is to be noted. Then General became selfish. He doesn't wanted to give any problem to Sadao. You know why? Because he was thinking that if he would be sentenced to death, what will happen? Then there was none who could save General. He assured Sadao that he would send his personal assassins. Assassins means murderer, killer, to kill the American soldier and remove his body from Sadao's house. Means he promised that he would do this thing. Don't worry, I will send my assassins, I will send my killer. In general promised Dr. Sadao that he would send his assassins and they would kill and they would remove the body also. Dr. Sadao did not reveal the secret of assassins to Hana. You know why? Because he was thinking that if I informed her, then she would be scared. For 2 nights, he remained uneasy and could not sleep soundly. A little bit noise made him tensed. He always thought that now he is being killed. They are just removing his body. He was having the fear in his heart. However, every morning when he woke up, he found Tom alive. His name was Tom. He found him alive, and this made him more uneasy. Oh, next night they would come, they will kill. Dr. Sadaus changes plan and saves the enemy because he was a doctor, I told you, and service to man is service to God. First he was a doctor, and after that he was Japanese. Although country come first, but here for a doctor doesn't see whether the patient of any, of which religion, of which caste, of which country. The doctor's profession is above of all these things. After 3 nights of restlessness, panic and terror, means general did not send the assassins to kill the enemy, to kill the American. He was the enemy. The chapter name is The Enemy. Now you understood who is the enemy. The enemy is the American, the prisoner of war, who came there nearby house at the seashore, and they took him, means Hana and Dr. Sada Hoki. They took him to his house, to their house, to save the life of the patient. Sadao decided to get rid of the stranger and the inconvenience his presence caused. He was not happy, and they were not having any just problem-free time. Means there was a troublesome time, tense time was being passed. That is why they decided, Dr. Sadao decided that he would get rid of this man, means the stranger, the enemy. He packed him up on a boat with the basic necessities like food. He gave bottled water and 2 blankets to nearby isolated island, from where he was to board a Korean ship, to freedom and safety. My dear student, Dr. Sada Hoki was having boat, and he gave his boat also. He packed him with basic necessities, food, water, 2 blankets, and moreover he had given him his torch to to indicate him that if he needs something, and he warned him also to not show this torch at the time of night and the day, at the time of dusk. He informed. You know why? Because at that time it was not possible to see the torch by another one, but in the night it comes, and the day also. That is why he gave this time. He even gave the young man his own flashlight to be used in the time of need, as well as to let Dr. Sadao know about his well-being. Means he said that he could indicate if he is all right one time, if he needs something to. The storm departed secretly, means he went from there. Sadao operated the old general, means the old general was in need of operation, and it was the only person there, and he was Dr. Sadao Hoki. And after a week, he apprised him that American soldier fled away. He made him understand, he informed him in a very systematic manner. The general admitted to have forgotten his promise to send the assassins. Now, general was saying that, oh, I forgot to send my assassins. He really general forgot, because he was not well, and he made the promise to doctor, but he could not kept that, and promises, according to him, promises are to be broken, but not this happened. Promises are to be kept. If you have promised someone for something, that must be kept. So my dear student, he could not send the assassins, means general could not send the assassins to doctor's house, and conveyed his apology also. Sadao realized that he was safer than ever before. The general was in the palm of his hand. Yes, because general was saying that it was his fault that he could not send the assassins timely, he forgot. And it was true also. But he was assured the general that he would ever remain loyal to him. He assured him. He promised him, sir, but I am just always I will be loyal to you. One night there was no flashlight from the island, so Sadao understood that the soldier must have boarded a Korean fishing ship, as he said. That Korean fishing ship uh, was going through that, and he can use them. As the American had left, all the servants returned. Servants also returned. Okay, once again things were as usual as they were earlier. Sadao wondered, though he had grown up thinking Americans to be enemies. Means when he was a child, he was also thinking at that time that the Americans, they are our enemy. Okay, and now he has become young. Even the same thing in his mind was there, but he was not able to understand why he saved the American. It was a question in his mind. Why could he not kill him? It was a question in his mind why he could not kill the young soldier. My dear student, the story ends here. So you have watched the video again and again very attentively. I have explained here in not hurry. Okay. So you must watch the video again and again so that you can understand the chapter in a better way. If you have any query, you can just ask me. Okay, and do the NCERT questions also, and show me your NCERT questions. Send me your NCERT questions. If you have any query, please send the question. I will write the answer. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.